Go to the Blackmagic Design website and find the download for DaVinci Resolve 17. Make sure to download the free version on your chosen operating system of Windows, Mac or Linux. Wait for the download to complete and run the installation file. Load DaVinci Resolve, see the splash screen, and then the Project Manager window will load. Click the New Project button and enter a title. You'll be loaded to the default Cut page. Go to the Media page and find the video files, image assets, and sound files you want to import. Import them into your master bin. Create additional bins to keep your assets organized if you wish. Go to the Settings cog on the lower right-hand side. Set the timeline settings to a lower resolution such as 720 by 576, set the appropriate frame rate, for example 25 frames per second, and make sure 4:3 aspect is set. Go to the Edit page and ensure you can find the media pool where your assets will be available. Ensure you can find the Effects panel where you can find titles, effects, and generators, usually the bottom left. Load the clip into the source viewer by double-clicking the clip you want in the media pool. Here you can set in and out points using the shortcut I&O. Drag the clip onto the timeline below. Build your timeline by adding more clips or images. Ensure you adjust the zoom and position using the inspector panel on the right hand when you have a clip selected on the timeline. If you are using clips that are 1080p, then you will need to adjust zoom to make sure it fills the screen correctly. Download a VHS overlay track that has some noise, link in the description. Drag the VHS overlay track on the track above your clip. Select the VHS overlay track, go to the inspector and change the composite mode to Add. Below, with the noise of the VHS overlay track over the top. Select the clip, right-click and select Open in Fusion page. Go to the node view and see the Media In and Media Out nodes. Select the Media In node, press Shift spacebar to open the tool selector. Type in Displace and find the Displace node. This should be placed in the connecting line between the Media In and Out nodes. Find the VHS overlay clip in your media pool. Drag on the node tree and connect it to the green input of the Displace node. Click the Displace node and go to the Inspector panel. Change the type to XY. Slide the X and Y refraction settings sliders to your liking. You'll see the damage appear on your video when you play through. Return to the Edit page. You should now see that the underlying footage is being damaged by the Displace node you set up in the Fusion page. This helps tie the VHS overlay footage to the underlying clip rather than it just looking like it's placed on top. Now go to the Color page and select the clip you want to adjust. Go to Color, Nodes, add Splitter Combiner node. 3 nodes will be made visible. They represent the red, green, and blue color channels. Select the top one of the 3, which should be your red channel. Go to the tools in the middle portion of the screen and find the navigation tool. Click the Node Sizing icon. Then change the pan sizing to plus or minus 3.000. Then select the blue node on the node tree and do the same. This gives you the offset of colors that simulate the chromatic aberration you see often with VHS. Go back to the Edit page and see your results. If you like this, please subscribe. I will add more tutorials for some sound designs for analog horror.